Data security for the PC users is very essential. To secure and protect your Windows PC data, you must have to use a data backup software in case of any accidents. Regarding this fact, Minitool ShadowMaker may be a good choice to try. This software will backup your files, folders, systems, disks and partitions to external or internal hard drive, USB drives or shared folders. Minitool ShadowMaker also offers automatic backup options and gives the best way to save your disk space. Reliable backup solution, quick system restore, automatic file sync, safe disk clone, flexible backup schedule, smart backup management, etc. are the main features of Minitool ShadowMaker. Also, have a look for the additional features and version comparisons. Now let's see how to backup and restore files or drives very easily. At first, download and install Minitool ShadowMaker for free. To download Minitool ShadowMaker, simply click here free download option. After downloading the application, simply click here to install. The installation process is very easy. Simply click here on install now. I have already installed this, so you can try yourself. After completing the installation process, simply open the Minitool ShadowMaker. Here you can see this is the Minitool ShadowMaker free version, and backup your file, sync, restore, manage, logs and other tools you may try. Now let's see how to backup a file or drive to another destination. Here you can see source and here you will see destination. So now if I click here, you can see disk and partitions, folders and files. Simply I want to backup this file. So here click on folders and files. Okay, here you can see this file. Now I want to select it and click on OK. After then I have to select the destination where I want to backup this file. I want to backup this file on this drive. Select it and then click on OK. Now I have selected the source file and also selected the destination drive where I want to backup this file. After then here you will see options where you can compress the file. Also you can set a password protection backup file. So you can try yourself. Also you can schedule the backup option. To schedule the backup, you can select the backup later and here in the three dot menu you can edit schedule. After then turn on this. From here you can schedule the backup plan according to your wish. To backup the file, you have to click on backup now. Click on OK. Here you can see the file is backed up. And here in the logs option, you will see the result. Okay, now I want to delete this file and will show how to restore the backup files. And to restore this, simply click here, click on next. I want to restore this in the C drive, so click on next. Okay. Now click on start. Here you can see the video file is restored. And the operation is completed successfully. If your PC goes wrong, then you can easily restore your files or folder by this method. And this is very easy and simple. So that's all about Minitool ShadowMaker. If you face any difficulties, kindly comment below and I'll try to help you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you get help, please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for watching.